Today, we are taking a closer look at a clever mechanical desk accessory, a bird-shaped toothpick dispenser. The design uses a simple mechanical motion to pick up and release a single toothpick, making it both functional and satisfying to watch. It is a small but creative item that adds personality to any workspace. Let me know what you think of this design, and feel free to suggest other interesting items you would like to see reviewed.